Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw on Trading 212. So to do this is pretty simple. As you can see right here, I'm in Trading 212 but in my desktop. So this can apply in your Android or iOS devices. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to this button right here. It's going to be located in your bottom right corner if you're using your phone. So next, you will have to go and do Manage Funds. So once you have located your Manage Funds, you will have to press Withdraw Funds. From there, you will have to next withdraw. So you have to enter your password with your email to withdraw funds. And then you will have to select the account that you're withdrawing from. And as you can see right here, you'll have to select the amount in the slider right here to withdraw your funds on how much. And then the available funds will be also located right here in the bottom. So you can choose your payment method depending on your card, and then you'll confirm your withdrawal. So this might take some time to reflect on your account. So there you go guys, that is how you withdraw in Trading 212, and that's a quick tutorial for you guys. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.